Alright, now for the second part of the video, we just got back from blue field, now we are going to green field. Okay, so it's kind of like, you gotta walk over there type of thing. Just gotta do this for a minute.
Got a creek that runs along back to the fort, so it's pretty good. You can follow that creek, but we usually take a shortcut since we don't want to go through all that. So we should take the shortcut through this field. So
basically, I'll show y'all our scout fort first. Basically, all you have to do is look over here and try to find an opening. But not that opening. It is right over here. Go past these branches. And there's a little walkway. Again. Alright, this is a stealth fort.
we haven't finished it.
It's called stealth for a reason, so we don't have a bunch of boards and crap. Basically, this would be like for a sniper. What did you say? For a sniper?
Someone
that doesn't have really
Yeah.
a good gun. But that's basically all the
Ambusher.
coverage we have.
an ambush. Like they're walking down the creek and we'd ambush them or whatever.
That's all the
But
coverage
yeah,
we
it was
have.
pretty much.
And then,
We made a little spot over here. And of course you can hide in this creek or whatever. You want to use that as a field. But we took some planks, put them up there. And if Weston would climb up there. Here, hold on.
okay, so what you do is jump up here. Climb a little ways. We have nailed these in.
We're going to.
They are nailed in.
Oh, they are?
No, they're not.
No, they're not.
We're probably going to here in a minute. They're sturdy. What we were thinking was probably two snipers like sitting like this, and then they might come over here and look, and then we got those guys over there.
Ambush them.
Ambush them. And that's basically all on the stealth fort.
All for this fort.
And we got that, but it's filled with water.
Yeah, usually that'd be really good, a good spot to hide down in. But
Right there. Whoa. And then you just jump down. And then this next place, we call it the car. Because it's an upside down car.
obvious.
Oh, we didn't go in there, did we?
Nope. Well, you can go this way. It's easier to go this way. Or to go the other way, but...
We'll just cut across here. I'll go across the field. So muddy.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, a little muddy.
This obviously ain't the stealth fort.
This is the car.
This is probably our most protected fort that we have.
Got a bunch of logs. We'll start from the back. Basically, we have dug a hole right down here. See, it's a little bit lower. And this would be like for guys who have like a shotgun or something.
Assault rifle. Something like that. But yeah.
And then you come through here. You don't have that high of wall. You just come right here and, you know.
You can rest your gun on that middle part.
Huh?
Show them the middle part.
Oh, and we got a shooter's rack.
Yeah.
And then we got a hole. Made a hole right here so that we could shoot, but that log's kind of blocking it now.
And as you can see, we like campaign signs. They're our friends.
Sure. And then when we go into the inside,
Gotta come around the other side.
We come back up. We made 2 shooter holes. One that I'm in, and another one. And
Some nice logs and coverage around
to
it.
protect us. And that hole right there that Adam is standing
It's just a
by,
spray hole.
you just spray out that. And then once we go inside the car, we got
Nice space.
this little thing. Well, that's part of the roof. That's why we didn't dig anymore. But if you climb underneath there,
Go ahead. Or you want to?
no.
Yeah, go ahead. It's dry here. Here, I'll climb under there.
I got it.
You got it? Alright. You can climb under there. Then, once you get up, you got a nice spot for a pistol or something like that. Say they're walking by, they don't see you yet. If he'll come in more. Usually you can squat up, but it's pretty muddy today, so we're not going to lay down as much as we really would. But, I mean, it's a good spot if you want to hide. Say you're in a ghillie suit or something, put a sniper in there. Or say someone walks by and they don't see you. It's a real nice and easy assault. You can attack them pretty easily, but I think we found a new entrance.
Yeah.
But, yeah. And you want to show them the escape route?
Yeah, this is we kind of got some clay and put it up on these doors and stuff to give us some more coverage. But the escape route is you come over here.
Just in case the car fails, say they ambush us too good, or whatever.
Happened before.
It has happened for you. But yeah, I mean, we didn't even do any of this. It was already like this. Clear path straight through. And there's several paths you can take to confuse them. But, yeah.
Never gone on there before,
Yeah.
and we just normally run.
Run through this field. One time I actually got in a showdown right here, just trying to see who could shoot each other the most.
We're not going to go into real depth
Into it, but
it was just, I mean, it's just an escape route. We don't like it.
yeah. 'Cause, I mean, you got this creek down in here. It's a good spot where you can lay down and try and shoot them before they get over with you. Yep, right in there. Gives us some good cover. And the cool thing about it is we didn't even have to make this one. The rest of those 3 we had to make. But this is all really cool. But yeah. So, that's our forts, and we hope you like it.